only 1% was able to solve this maths problem right. So let's now check the mistake that they did. So solution. So on solving this maths problem, we have 9 to the power of a, then add to 9 to the power of a is equals to 120. So we are asked to solve the value for a. So how do we do that? So the first thing that we need to do is to factorize 9 to the power of a plus 9 to the power of a. So these are now can be written as 9 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 120. Then from there now shall have 9 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 120. So the next step now is to divide both sides by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So now 9 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 120, it is 60. So how now still do we solve the value for a? So now we shall now be forced to introduce the log from on both sides. So now we shall have the log of 9 to the power of a is equals to the log of 60. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of k, this one can be written as k, the log of p. So instead of having it as the log of 9 to the power of a, we shall now have a, then the log of 9 is equals to the log of 60. So from here now, we shall now divide both sides by the log of 9. Then here now also by the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 shall cancel. So now the value for a is equals to the log of 60 all over the log of 9. So the next step now is to simplify it completely. Then now we shall now say that the value for a is equals to, so the log of 60 can be written as the log of 12 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 9. So when, for example, we have the log of p multiplied by m, this one can also be written as the log of p plus the log of m. So in this case now, the value for a, we can now write it as a is equals to the log of 12, then plus the log of 5 all over the log of 9. Have a is equals to, so log 12 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 3, then plus the log of 5 all over all of this by the log of 9. So now a is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 4, then plus the log of 3, then plus the log of 5, then all of this all over the log of 9. So a is equals to, so the log of 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 3 plus the log of 5, then all over the log of 9. A is equals to, so we shall now have 2 the log of 9, because log 2 to the power of 2 can be written that way, all over the log of 9, then plus, so this now we shall have log 3 all over the log of 9, plus log 5 all over the log of 9. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of p all over the log of m, so this one can be written as the log of p to the base of m. So now our value for a, we shall now take it to be, so in here now shall have 2 the log of 2 to the base of 9, then plus here now the log of 3 to the base of 9, then plus log 5 to the base of 9. So now these are now shall be confirmed to be almost correct and the best and appropriate answer. So I don't know how you got yours, so write on the comment section. So let's now confirm this answer. We had 9 to the power of a, then plus 9 to the power of a is equals to 120. So where we've written a, we shall now write with this one. So now shall have 9 to the power of 2 to log 2 base 9, then plus the log of 3 base 9, then plus the log of 5 base 9, then plus, then 9 2 log 2 to log 2 base 9, then plus the log of 3 base 9, then plus the log of 5 plus log 5 base 9. So log 5 base 9, all of them should give us 120. So this one now can write it as, so this one can still be written as, so now we shall have 9 to the power of, so instead of having as 2 log of 2, so we shall now have the log of 2 to the power of 2, that is the log of 4. So 9 to the power of the log of 4 to the base of 9. Then the plus means multiplication, so now we shall again have 9 the log of 3 to the base of 9. Then the plus means multiplication, again 9 the log of 5 to the base of 9. Then plus, so the 9 to the power of 2 log 2 base 9, you say that it shall be 9 the log of 4 to the base of 9. Then the plus means multiplication, then 9 the log of 3 to the base of 9, then multiply again by 9 to the log of 5 the base of 9 should give us 120. So here now, so the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, so now we shall have 4 multiplied by, so the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, then 3, then multiply by, the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, so now we shall have 5, then plus, then the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, again we shall have 4, then multiply by, the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, then now we shall have 3, multiply by, the log to the base of 9 shall cancel this 9, then shall have 5 is equals to 120. So here now 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, then 12 multiplied by 5, this one is 60, then 60 plus, so here now shall have 12 multiplied by 5 is equals to 120. So here now, so 60 plus 60, because 12 multiplied by 5 is 60, is equals to 120. So meaning that 120 is equals to 120. So indeed now we are correct, because our maths problem is balancing. So we are very correct to say that the value for A is equals to 2 the log of 2 to the base of 9 plus, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 9, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 9. So these are now qualifies to be almost correct and the best answer. So if you really loved how to work out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.